You might have heard of the law of attraction, but what about the law of assumption? If you've been looking for an easy and powerful way to manifest your desires quickly, the law of assumption might be just the method for you. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires into their lives? They seem to possess a secret power, a magnetic force that pulls in opportunities and abundance. The law of assumption, a powerful principle rooted in metaphysics, holds the key to unlocking your own manifestation abilities. In this video, we will guide you how to effectively use the law of assumption to manifest your dreams and create a life of unlimited possibilities. Before moving ahead, please subscribe to our channel, and in the comments section, call the universe to send you positive energy by writing your wish with gratitude. Friends, the law of assumption, popularized by Neville Goddard, states that your assumptions, beliefs, and perceptions shape your reality. It suggests that whatever you consistently assume to be true becomes your dominant reality, whether positive or negative. Simply put, you are what you assume. To use the law of assumption, assume you already have what you want. Instead of longing for your dream, imagine what it would feel like to live it. Think positively by swapping the worst-case scenario for the best-case scenario and using affirmations to boost self-confidence. The first step in utilizing the law of assumption is to clearly identify your desires. Take some time to reflect on what you truly want to manifest in your life. Be specific and focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a loving relationship, financial abundance, or a successful career, get crystal clear about your desires. Once you have identified your desires, it's time to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Immerse yourself in the emotions that would accompany the fulfillment of your desires. How would you feel if your desires were already a reality? Cultivate those positive emotions within yourself and let them become your dominant state of being. After this, here comes the next step, which is reprogramming your subconscious mind. To effectively use the law of assumption, it's essential to reprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind holds your deep-seated beliefs and assumptions, which can either support or hinder your manifestation efforts. Through techniques like affirmations, visualization, and meditation, you can replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirmations such as, "I am worthy of abundance," or "I effortlessly attract my desires," can help rewire your subconscious mind. Now live in alignment with your desires. Alignment is crucial when working with the law of assumption. Align your thoughts, words, and actions with your desires. Act as if your desires have already manifested, and make choices that are in harmony with your desired reality. For instance, if you're manifesting a successful career, take actions that propel you towards that goal, such as networking, upgrading your skills, or seeking new opportunities. By living in alignment, you reinforce your assumptions and create a powerful attraction force. After it all, here comes the most important step, which says, release attachment and surrender yourself. While it's important to be focused and intentional about your desires, it's equally important to release attachment to the outcome. Surrender the how and when to the universe and trust in the divine timing. Detach from any feelings of desperation or anxiety and have faith that the universe is working behind the scenes to manifest your desires in the best possible way. Trust the process and surrender to the flow of manifestation. Friends, gratitude is a powerful amplifier of manifestation. After doing all of this, as I said, you need to practice gratitude. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life, both present and future. Acknowledge the signs and synchronicities that come your way, and celebrate the progress you make on your manifestation journey. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and open the floodgates for more blessings to flow into your life. The law of assumption is a remarkable tool that allows you to shape your reality and manifest your desires. By identifying your desires, assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, reprogramming your subconscious mind, living in alignment, releasing attachment, and practicing gratitude, you can harness the true power of this law. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.